Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the SSD has enough capacity. Once done, back up key files so nothing is lost. Download the official Windows 11 ISO and a reliable cloning tool, then make bootable USB media. Connect the SSD to your PC, use SATA or an NVMe adapter so it appears as a secondary disk. Make sure BIOS recognizes both drives, set SATA mode to ASI if needed. From here, you'll boot the cloning tool and start copying the system partition to the new drive. Once the cloning tool is running, pick the current system disk as source and the SSD as target. Enable sector by sector only if you need an exact copy and sizes allow. Let the tool finish. After cloning, reboot into BIOS or UEFI. Make the SSD the primary boot device and keep Secure Boot enabled if Windows was installed that way. Then, boot Windows and use disk management to resize or align partitions. Make sure the OS partition is properly aligned to one. You should now boot Windows 11 from the SSD. Verify Device Manager shows no driver errors and run Windows Update to sync drivers. Run trim via optimized drives and confirm ASI is active for consistent performance. If you plan to reuse the old drive, reformat it after confirming the SSD boots reliably. If the system does not boot, use your Windows Recovery USB to repair the bootloader. Repair EFI entries and rebuild BCD. This resolves most UEFI boot issues and gets you back up quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.